Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to give your daily Bitcoin and crypto update. Let's get right into it. Well, today's been a good day so far for Bitcoin and cryptos. Looks like the CPI data came in bullish. It came in lower than expected. They were expecting 2.4%, but the CPI came in at 2.3%. So definitely CPI data is bullish. So that's looking good. The CPI data keeps on dropping, month over month and year over year. And that means our, total crypto market cap keeps on rising, So that's good. This chart shows how the CPI data chart is dropping. And we are about to go parabolic for Bitcoin and cryptos. So get ready. If you've been watching my videos, you would know that we are about to, moon. I do believe we're in the beginning of the altcoin season. I do believe Bitcoin is about to go parabolic. But the good thing right now is that Bitcoin is just going sideways. And that's really good. It's not really pumping or dumping. It's just been ranging between like 100 and like 100,700 and 105,700 for the last day. And right now it's at 104,000. Let's check out the price for Bitcoin real quick. Let's see where Bitcoin's at right now at the time of recording. Current price of Bitcoin right now is $104,076. So it's just been, going sideways. Everything's looking good. The chart's looking bullish. We've just been, ranging, like I said, between like 100,700 and 105,700. So just about like a 5,000 range. And the altcoins have been pumping. All the altcoins are pumping. Let's look at the altcoins real quick. All the altcoins are pumping. Bitcoin's just going sideways, but Ethereum's up 7.38% in the last 24 hours. Current price of Ethereum is $2,677. XRP is up 1.55%. Current price of XRP is $2.57. Solana's been pumping, baby. Pump it up, baby. Pump up Solana. I love Solana. Solana's at $183. It's up 5.41%. Doge, baby. The original meme coin is up 3%. It's at 23.9, basically almost 24 cents. For you ADA lovers, it's up at 0.97% the last 24 hours. It's at 82.9, basically 83 cents. Sui, the new Solana, is at 1.77% for the day. It's at $4.03. Avalanche, the #1 gaming blockchain, is up 3.34% up in the day. It's at 25.76. XLM, XRP's little brother, is basically going sideways. It's at 31 cents. But I'm still really good. It's not dumping. All the altcoins are doing really good. Let's check out the crypto bubbles. See what it's looking like. See what the biggest gainers are. See, the market is green. I only see a very few red bubbles. The only red ones I see is Form. Form is down 4.3% in the last 24 hours. Jasmine is down 2.3% in the last 24 hours. But it did pump the last 24 hours. It's still pumping because Jasmine is already at 0.02 cents. When was the last time we saw Jasmine over 2 cents? It's been a while since we saw Jasmine over 2 cents. So I'm glad Jasmine is pumping. I love Jasmine as well. I own a lot of Jasmine. So I'm glad Jasmine is doing good. Let's see what the biggest gainers in the top 100. We got PLSX at 23.3% up for the day. Then we got Hex at 19.6% up for the day. ENA's at 15.1% up for the day. Pengu, Pudgy Penguin coin, is up 5% up for the day. Is at 0.01481. Little Pudgy Penguin coin. Don't miss out on Pudgy Penguin. It's about to moon, I think, too. They're all going to moon. All our favorite altcoins are going to moon. Pump it up. Pump up the alts. Pump up the altcoins, baby. Arbitron, another sleeper, is up 5% up for the day. It's 45 cents, baby. So yeah, they're all doing good. Hopefully you saw my previous video that I just uploaded, about Leah and Aria, the top, AI agent. The top 2 AI agents, in my opinion, is Leah and Aria. Aria being my #1 pick on the video AI agents. Look at that. I just uploaded the video a couple hours ago. It was at 0.0015. I told you guys not to sleep on Aria and Leah. They're already pumping, just like all the other altcoins. It's already up 30% in the last 2 hours that I posted the video. It's already, it was at 0.0015. Right now, Aria is at 0.002. Hopefully you saw my video. I know I'm a small channel, not that many people see my video. But if you would have seen my video, you'd be up 30% already. But don't sell now. I do believe Aria and Leah are going to moon. I do believe they're going to get to at least $50 million market cap. Check out that video I uploaded on Leah and Aria. You might like it. Okay, yeah, so Aria's doing really good. It's pumping. Pump it up, Aria. Pump it up, Aria. Love Aria. She's a sarcastic, cool video AI agent. My number 2 pick of video AI agents is Leah. She was like a 0.0037 before I made the video. During the video, she was like a 0.0039 and 0.004. 2-3 hours later right now, she's at 0.0045. She's pumping, baby. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, Leah. You can do it, Leah. You funny, sassy little video AI agent. I love your new look, Leah. I love the new look that Leah AI has. I love the new look that the developers gave her. Right now she's just a head, but I do believe one day she'll have like a whole body. She'll have like a whole 3D body. So yeah, don't miss out on Leah and don't miss out on Aria. They're pumping and they're my top 2 video AI agents. They're gonna do great. So yeah, Bitcoin's doing really, really good. Bitcoin's still at 104,000, 127 at the time of recording, just going sideways, which is making all the altcoins moon. Moon, baby, moon. Pump up the alts. Pump it up. Yeah, all your favorite altcoins are mooning. So that's excellent. We got BTC mooning. No, I mean, not BTC mooning. BTC just going sideways. Between 104,000 for like the last 24 hours. Not the last 24 hours. Let's see, the last 24 hours has been going between, let's see here. Let me go to the info here. Last 24 hours, the low is 101,698 and the high is 104,836. That's the last 24 hours, baby. So it's been doing really good, letting all our favorite altcoins pump. On other news, in case you didn't know, Coinbase, looks like Coinbase is about to get listed in the S&P 500. Can you believe it? Coinbase is going to get listed on the S&P 500. First crypto company to be listed in the S&P 500. Let's read about it real quick. It says, a major U.S. stock index is about to welcome its first crypto-focused exchange next week. Coinbase will officially join the S&P 500 ahead of trading on May 19. The move comes more than 3 years after its direct listing on NASDAQ, and it cements the firm's status among large cap names. So there you go, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up, Coinbase. Coinbase representing the crypto world. That's awesome for Coinbase. I love Coinbase. It's got a lot of good coins. All the Coinbase is a major player. I do believe most of the Coinbase cryptocurrencies are gonna pump. XCN's been pumping, Jasmine's been pumping. They're all listed on Coinbase. All the meme coins on Coinbase are pumping. Popcat, Pengu, Moondeg, Pepe. They're all pumping. Even KeyCat. They're all pumping. So definitely, shout out to Coinbase for getting listed on S&P 500 on May 19, 2025. So that's good for the crypto world. It's another good day. Hopefully you guys been watching my videos the last, yesterday, and 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I've been telling you guys, not to sleep on cryptos. I told you guys that I do believe it's the beginning of the altcoin season. I told you guys that the lows are in. Don't listen to the bears out there. We're not headed for a bear market. We're not gonna head into a bear market. We're not gonna we're not basically gonna drop below 74K like some bears are saying. They would love us for us to drop below 74K, but we're just not. We are not gonna drop below 74K. That was the local bottom. made in April 7th, and now we're just, gonna keep pumping. We're gonna keep pumping and pumping, just like at least like Sensei says here. We're headed into our, altcoin season here, in May. That altcoin season started in May, and we're about to, go parabolic for Bitcoin and our favorite altcoins. So definitely get ready. In 2017, the altcoin season, all the altcoins did a 90x. In 2021, all the altcoins did a 180x. And Sensei is expecting the altcoin season in 2025 to do a 250x. So there you go, baby. There you go. Hopefully, you're into Leah and into Aria. I think those are gonna be, major winners. You could possibly do at least a 50x either on Aria or Leah. Might even do a 100x. So don't miss out on Aria and Leah. My number one pick Aria, and my number two pick Leah for best AI agents. They're the top 2 video AI agents. Don't miss out. And also don't miss out on Wisp with the ticker WHISP. It's already been pumping. Let me show you Wisp again. Another one of my it's not a video AI agent, but it's more like a platform AI agent. It's also been pumping. The last 7 days has been pumping, baby. Hopefully you bought. I told you guys about Wisp when it was at 0.0017 over here. Sometime around May 7, May 8. If you would have bought it there, you would have made like a 4x. It pumped all the way to 0.0028. But these small micro caps are volatile. It went down all the way down to 0.0014, but now it's pumping again, and it's at 0.0017. I'm sure it's gonna pump hard again pretty soon. Might do another 2 or 3x here at any time. So don't miss out on Wisp. In case you don't know what it is, let me read it to you. It's Wisp is a Web3 agents orchestration protocol that selects the most suitable agent for any given task, and any dynamically picks the best option for multiple agents in real time, ensuring seamless and efficient execution of crypto operations. We see AI agents as the future of Web3. Whispers is an open protocol that lets developers build, orchestrate, and embedded AI agents, making blockchain accessible for everyone. So yeah, don't miss out on Wisp. The all-time high for Wisp is 0.036, so almost 4 cents, and it's still 95% down from the all-time high. And it's only 308% up from its all-time low of 0.0004, 0.304. So yeah, don't miss out on Wisp. Still a great buy. Those are my top 3 AI agents play. Wisp with the ticker WHISP. Aria with my ticker ARIA. And Leah with the ticker LEA. So don't miss out on those 3. If you want to make some good money, I'll be buying those 3 coins. But again, don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion and what I'm doing. Nothing I say is financial advice. It's just what I'm doing and what I like to buy and what my picks are for this cryptocurrency bull run we're in, baby. Shout out to the bull run, baby. Altcoin season's about to go parabolic. We're definitely going parabolic here pretty soon. Don't miss out. Don't listen to the bears. The bears are getting crushed. The bears are getting liquidated. And the bulls are making the money, baby. Yep, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully still dropping. Still dropping, baby. We want the Bitcoin dominance to keep dropping off the cliff like it is, making another lower low. Look at my last video I made, where I say, cryptos and Bitcoins are going to pump. I went over the Bitcoin dominance really good there. Bitcoin dominance is at 62.18% right now. It's just dropping off the cliff, baby, which is signaling, the altcoin season. It's the beginning of the altcoin season. It topped off here at May 7 at 65.45, and now it's just been dropping the last 6 days. And as it continues to drop, all our altcoins are going to keep pumping, baby. Pump it up, pump it up, pump up the alts, pump it up. Come on, alts, you got to pump, got to move. Let's make the altcoins moon. Come on, Mr. Orange Man, Mr. Trump, pump up all our altcoin bags. And he is pumping our altcoin bags, and that's awesome. Well, it's not really the orange man pumping it. It's just a 4-year Bitcoin cycle and cryptocurrency cycle. It's just about we're about due for altcoin season. Most of the crypto investors, we thought it was going to come in March, but it didn't come in March. It looks like the altcoin season is coming in May, June, and July. So there you go, baby. The altcoin seasons are pumping. Here, let me see where we're at here. I wanted to show you something. Well, if you want more detailed explanation of the Bitcoin dominance, look at my Bitcoin and cryptos are pumping video that I made yesterday. That'll go more further explanation. That way I don't do it again right now. So yeah, everything is pumping, baby. We got Leah's pumping. Look at that big old green candle on Leah. Whoops. And look better here on the daily. There we go. Look at the green candle here. Oh, doesn't want to go there. I gotta do it here, I guess. Let me see. Go to the daily here. 1 hour. There you go. Look at that green candle, baby. Look at the green candle on Leah. Don't miss out on Leah. Making that big old green candle. Let's look at the green candle on Aria. Boom. Oh, it's dropping again now. Oh, that's because it's here. Let me go to the daily here. Okay. What did I do here? Let's go back to the 1 hour. There we go. Oh, it looks like it pumped majorly to 0.0023. Huh. So it looks like we had a big old pump right now. We had a big old pump all the way up to 0.0023, and right now it's it's dropping. It's at 0.0018. It pumps and it dumps, but it's holding steady, and now it's pumping again. Now it's at 0.00194. So oh, there you go. Look at that. The red bar is getting shorter. It's just little mini bear trap trying to scare everybody out, or people taking profits. But I do believe it's gonna keep on pumping. So don't miss out on the Aria, baby. Don't miss out. Let's see. Let's go into X. See what people are saying in X. Let's see here. Let's go to Sensei. He's always got some cool charts. Sensei. Shout out to Sensei for his cool charts that I like to look at. Let's see what he's got here. I already showed you that one. Let's see what else he's got here. It says here, altcoins smashing it up, baby, going through the roof. All the green candles and the altcoins are going through the roof, baby. So yeah, there we go. Pump up the altcoins. Pump it up. Looks like the bear trap is over. Get ready. Bear trap is over, baby. We're getting renewed into optimism and then FOMO and then euphoria, baby. So we're coming out of the bear trap. We're going into optimism, then belief, then FOMO, then euphoria. So yeah, just huddle your coins for the next 2 to 3 months. The altcoin season should at least last somewhere between 2 to 3 months from the day to day, but it does have the potential to last up to 4 to 5 to 6 months. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll be letting you know when the charts are showing that the altcoin season is almost over. But it should be good for the next 2 to 3 months, baby. Yep, invest into your favorite altcoin. You know what I'm investing into? I'm investing into Aria, Wisp, and Leah. Those are my top 3 AI agents. They're super microcap gems. And think about joining the Patreon. There's still a lot of microcap gems that I don't talk about in the publicly here in the channel. That's for my Patreon people. There's still a lot of microcap gems under $1 million market cap that I'm investing in that are about to moon to if we want the best gains. So think about joining the Patreon, only $10 a month. It links in the description. It's patreon.com/Top Crypto Bull. But basically, we're coming out of the bear trap, going into optimism, going into belief, FOMO, and then euphoria, baby. Can't wait till we're euphoria. I'll be selling all my cryptos. Hopefully, making my millions. So shout out to the altcoins pumping, baby. Here's the crypto cheat sheet again. I do believe we're in optimism. We're heading to belief. then Thrill, and then Euphoria. That's where you want to sell. You want to be selling around Thrill and Euphoria. That's where we want to be selling. Right now we're headed into optimism. Again, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be letting you know when I'm selling. Or you could join the Patreon. I'll be letting you know even earlier before I tell the channel when I'm selling and when I'm buying and selling. Let's see what else kind of charts Mr. Sensei has here. Altcoin season is here, baby. Yep, we're breaking out, baby. Altcoin season is here. Another chart that shows the altcoin season is breaking out. Bulls are back, baby. Bulls are back. Bulls are definitely back. Shout out to the bulls. And hopefully you're not a bear. You'll be getting crushed if you're a bear. I'm all in, baby. Zero cash, 100% altcoins. That's me, baby. I'm all in. I have zero cash. That's literally me. I have zero cash. I'm in into 100%. All my powder is in altcoins. I have zero dry powder. Any dry powder I get, boom, goes into Aria, Leah, Wisp, and other microcap gems. I got my ion that I'm buying, baby. This could be you. If you hold for the next 3 to 6 months, this could be you, baby. You'll be needing a safe to pack up your dough. We gotta keep your dough safe. This could be you right here in the next 3 to 6 months, baby. This could be you. See what else we got here. Ethereum is pumping. Ethereum with the massive green candles pumping above $2,600. Yeah, pump it up. Ethereum, it's always good when Ethereum pumps. When Ethereum pumps, that's when the altcoins pump. And Ethereum is finally pumping, and that's why the altcoins are finally pumping. There were a lot of bears out there saying Ethereum is dead and Ethereum is never gonna pump again, but definitely Ethereum is pumping. Shout out to my buddy DEXs. He's an Ethereum maxi. He loves Ethereum. He owns a lot of Ethereum, and he's definitely happy. He's definitely in the green, baby. He is in the green. Shout out to DEXs. Shout out to my buddy DEXs. Okay, here we go. Only up season, boys. This is the beginning of the only up season, boy. Come on, boys. Get the massive green candles. That's the massive green candles are about to start. It's just the beginning, baby. So yeah. Hopefully you guys are happy. I'm sure you guys are happy with your portfolios being in the green. Hopefully you weren't scared out of the market, the last 2 to 3 months, and hopefully you didn't sell out and you didn't huddle. You have to huddle if you want to make some money. Let's see here what this says right here. Top AI ecosystem coins by social activity. So let's see here. So supposedly these are the top AI ecosystem coins. We got Tau, Fat, Render, Virtual, Cubic, PAL, Rose, CGPT, Token, and Orion. Lunar Crush. So there you go. But you know me though. I don't invest into these heavy market cap coins. I invest into the micro cap coins under $1 million market cap or low millions, like Aria AI, Leah, Wisp, baby. I got into Aria and Wisp when they were under $1 million market cap, and I got into Leah at $10 million market cap because she was pumping. But I also went in heavily into Leah. I DCA'd when she got below right when she bottomed out under $3 million market cap. So that's how I like to do it. I like to buy the lows, not the highs. I like to buy them before they're famous. I don't like to buy them once everybody knows about them. That's why I'm sharing with you guys Leah AI with the ticker LEA and Aria and Wisp. I'm sure in about 6 months everybody's gonna be talking about Leah and Aria and Wisp because they're gonna be big winners, and hopefully you guys are watching my videos. I know I'm a small channel, so not that many people are gonna watch it, but the very lucky few that get to watch it. Don't miss out on Leah, don't miss out on Aria, don't miss out on Wisp. I'm telling you, they're gonna pump. They're gonna moon, baby, moon, and everybody's gonna get to know Leah, Aria, and Wisp in about 6 months after the bull run is over with. And hopefully you invested into them and made some good money. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we've seen all this already. Here's the hash rate. Okay, Here's the altcoin season, baby. Altcoin C3, altcoin season 3.0 is setting up, baby. We were in accumulation, all of 2023 and 2024. Now we're about to pump, baby. Pump up the altcoins. Pump it up. Pump up the altcoins. Look at that. Even Mr. Orange Man and Mr. Red Man, they're bullish on the crypto market. They are definitely happy. I'm sure they own a lot of crypto. We all know Donald Trump does. And he's pumping his bags, baby. Pump it up. So yeah, looks like Mr. Jerome Powell, he's definitely got to cut rates now with all the bullishness going on, the CPI, the inflation going down. You gotta cut the rates, Mr. Jerome Powell. Cut it, and that will make all our altcoins 10x, 50x, 100x, baby. That's what we want. We're here for the 10x, 50x, and the 100x for our favorite altcoins. So there you go. Let's see what this is right here. Looks like Meta Planet issues $15 million in bonds to buy more Bitcoin. Meta Planet, the MicroStrategy of Japan, buying more Bitcoin. So there you go. He's just like Michael Saylor, he loves to buy Bitcoin, Meta Planet. Okay. Yeah, breaking, CPI data came in at 2.3%, expected at 2.4%. So this is bullish. That's why we're pumping today. We are pumping today, baby. We are pumping. Pump it up. Pump up the altcoins. Pump it up. Time to go higher, baby. Bitcoin versus the RSI. We're definitely about ready to pump, baby. Pump up Bitcoin and the altcoins. Let's see what we got here. What's this? Just it. BlackRock buys 686 BTC worth 69 million. Mr. BlackRock himself is buying, baby. He is buying. So there you go. Larry Fink is buying. There you go. Okay, what else we got here? Okay. Let me see anything else cool. Alright. We've seen all this already. What's this? First purchase after the bull run. Looks like Sensei's gonna purchase this awesome car after the bull run. Looks pretty nice. Kudos to you. Kudos to you, Sensei. Hope you get your beautiful sports car. Okay. So we are currently here, baby. We're currently here at the yellow circle, and we're about to pump. We're about to see massive God candles for your favorite altcoins. So don't miss out and buy your favorite altcoins, baby. They're about to pump. Let's see. Just in, the blockchain group, Europe's first Bitcoin treasury company to raise 12.1 million euros to buy more Bitcoin. Even Europe is buying Bitcoin. So there you go. Bitcoin dominance is dropping hard, baby. Bitcoin dominance is dropping hard. Yep. It basically looks like it topped off at 65.45 and it's dropping off the cliff right now at 62%. So Bitcoin dominance is dropping and altcoins are pumping, baby. That's what we need. We need Bitcoin dominance to crash, and we need the altcoins to pump. So there you go. All right. Here's your buddy Michael Saylor, biggest Bitcoin bull in the world. There you go. I'm top crypto bull, but this guy's the biggest Bitcoin bull. I'm top crypto bull, and Michael Saylor is a Bitcoin bull. Let's see what else we got here. I showed that one already. We showed this one already. We got the third altcoin season about to pump. So there you go. And here we go. Right now, Bitcoin's at 100. It was at 95,000, but at the end of the bull run, it might go as high as 250,000. I agree with this theory. According to my analysis of the charts, I do believe Bitcoin has the potential at the top of the bull run to get somewhere as high as between $180K and $250,000. And I expect the top to come in for Bitcoin sometime between August, September, or October of 2025, baby. That's when I expect the top to come in. So there you go. There you go. Let me see. We saw that image already. Let me see if there's any other good image. Let's see what we got here. This is the one I wanted to show you. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, that one. But the bulls are back, baby. The bulls are back and the bears are hating it, baby. The bulls are back. The bulls are back, and the bears are getting crushed. The bears are crying because the bulls are back. Yeah, baby. Hopefully you're not a bear because the bulls are back, baby. Pump up the altcoins, baby. The bulls are back, and the bears are not happy about it. They are not happy about it. Bears are crying because the bulls are back, but the bulls are crushing it. The bulls are smacking it down. Bulls are putting it down, and the bears are taking it. Bears gotta take it because the bulls are back in town. The bulls are back in town, baby. All right, let's see what else we got here. That was Crypto Sensei. Let's see what what else we got here. Let's see what Watcher Guru is all about. Let's see what Watcher Guru is saying here. Justin, Elon Musk, Tesla's up 48.5%. Okay, that's good. Well, we love crypto here more than stocks. Okay, President Trump says stock market is gonna go a lot higher for sure.
For that now they don't criticize me anymore. People should have listened, but it's going to go a lot higher. You see, we've never had anything like this happen.
Yep. So there you go, Mr. Pumping the altcoins and the stock market. Everything's going good. Yeah. In case you guys missed it, Donald Trump he gave a speech in Saudi Arabia today in the U.S. the Saudi and U.S. Investment Forum 2025 today. I made a video on it. I streamed the speech, so check it out. Check it out. It's in my live stream. So check it out. So there you go. We're definitely bullish. Let's check it in the Bitcoin price. See how everything's going. See if it's pumping or dumping. Still going sideways at $104,170. Just going sideways, that's what we want. We want Bitcoin to go sideways, and so our altcoins keep pumping. And let's see what our altcoins are doing. Let's see. We got the Bitcoin dominance still dropping, baby. Bitcoin dominance keep dropping, 62.6. We got Leah keeps pumping, 0.0046. Arya pumps back. I told you I was gonna pump back at 0.002. Remember, it dropped all the way down to 0.0018 after it pumped all the way to 0.0023, but it's pumping already. It is pumping, baby. If you would have saw my video just 2-3 hours ago, it was at 0.0015. So, hopefully you guys caught that video. You be in the green, baby. And let's see where Wisp is at. See Wisp pumping? Yeah, Wisp is still, going sideways at 0.0017. But it's already pumped a 4x in the last 2 days. So, it's probably just taking a break. And it'll pump soon again, baby. It will pump soon. Look at these massive green candles it had here in the last 2 days. So definitely everything is looking good. Let's see what else we got. Look at the crypto bubbles. Yep, everything's still in the green. Everything is in the green. So there you go. Everything is looking good, guys. Bitcoin is still at 104,000. The market's still green. All the top 100 cryptos are in the green. I only see like two small little red bubbles here, which is KAIA. This one right here, KAIA, and it's only down 0.4, and then the other one is HTX. Dow is down 0.9%. But other than that, we're looking good. So stay bullish in the market. Everything is in the green. It's not the time to be a bear. Don't listen to the bears. The bulls are crushing the bears. The bears are crying. They're getting liquidated. So right now, it's not a good time to be a bear or listen to the bears. Like I said, a few days ago, I do believe we're in the beginning of the true altcoin season. So right now is the time to get into your favorite altcoin or Bitcoin, whichever is your favorite cryptocurrency, and just ride the altcoin season wave the next 2 to 3 months, and potentially the altcoin season and the Bitcoin and crypto bull run might even last 4 to 6 months. So, subscribe to my channel and I'll let you know how things are going every day. Every day I give a daily Bitcoin and crypto update, and I post, other videos as well too, all related somehow to crypto. So there you go. Help a brother out, help me out. I'm a small channel, just trying to grow my channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Think about joining the Patreon, only $10 a month. Get exclusive access to my microcap gems and other things I talk about in my Patreon. So there you go, baby. Hopefully you guys are happy. The market's in the green. Don't miss out on Leah. Don't miss out on Aria. Don't miss out on Wiz, my top 3 AI agents. They're already pumping, but it's still a good time to buy because they're going to pump a lot harder. If you don't know what to buy, I recommend Leah, Aria, and Wiz. But again, don't buy or sell anything because I say so or because anybody says so. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Everything I say on my videos is just my opinion and what I'm doing. Nothing I say is financial advice. But anyways, let's celebrate. The altcoins are pumping. Pump up the altcoins. Pump up the altcoins. Pump it up, baby. We want the altcoins to move. We want to get our money at the top of the bull run. Yeah. We want to make money, and we will make money. Just huddle for the next 2 to 3 months, and we should make some money, baby. Alright, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.